Welcome to the IM2 video lecture. This is covering Unit 4's test review sheet solution. Here I will be doing number 12, which is A and B. It says for us to solve each equation using the quadratic formula. You cannot use graphing or any other methods. It's not going to work out neatly. So you have to use the quadratic formula. Okay, so to help you out, I decided to give you the template here that come from our notes. We should just follow this to make our lives easy. All right, so let's do number 12. Okay, so we saw it's already in standard form, so we can now just grab our A, B, and C. So our A here is 2, our B here is 3, and our C here is -1. Okay, step 2 is to plug everything into the quadratic equation, which is here, and we have a template for what we plug it in. So x is equal to -3 plus and minus the square root of 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times -1. All over this here is a 2. Okay, good. Now we can simplify. We know that the outside is -3. Then we plus and minus, divide that. And the bottom is a 4. Okay, we just need to know what's inside that radical. This is where we grab Desmos, the scientific calculator, and we plug it in. We're going to plug in what we see here inside that radical. So 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times -1. Okay. Oh, wow. That equals to an 89. Can we do radical 89? No, that's ugly. Okay. So this is just radical 89. You can't simplify it. This is going to be considered a irrational solution. All right. So what are your solutions? You have two. The first one is -3. That's going to be plus radical 89. And divide this by 4. That's your first solution for x. Your second solution would be -3 minus radical 89 over 4. Okay? Did we? Oh, shoot. I did it wrong. I put a 10. It should be a 1. Yeah, so this should be a 17. I did it wrong. So a 17. That's why I knew the number was off. So that was a 17. So let me fix this here. Okay. This was wrong. Let me just fix it for you. Okay. This was if we put it in the calculator correctly, we saw that inside the radical, it was equal to a 17. Okay. So this is equal to 17 here. So it's -3 plus radical 17 divided by 4. The other one is -3 minus radical 17 over 4. There you go. All right. A lot of people dread the quadratic equation, but as long as you have this template and follow it, you can't go wrong. All right. Let's do B now. Okay. Same process. Let's figure out our A, B, and C. So our A here is 3, our B here is 4, and our C here is -3. Okay. So plug it in. X is equal to negative parentheses 4 plus and minus radical 4 squared minus 4 times 3 times -3 here. And this here should be empty. So 2 is going to be multiplied by A, which is 3. Okay. We can already simplify. X is equal to, we already know a -4 is out in front, plus and minus a radical something, divided by 2 times 3 is 6. We just need to know what's inside that radical, but it's long and complicated, so we use Desmos. Okay. So inside it was a 4 squared minus 4 times 3 times -3. Let me just double check so I don't make the same error. Okay. 4. Yep. So that looks good. So this is equal to, let's just double check that I did everything correctly. Good. I don't want to make a mistake again. All right. So inside that radical, it was a 52. Right. Can we simplify 52? Can we? Let's see. Radical 52. Nope. Let's see. Can we do radical 52? No. Very ugly. Okay. So we can just leave it like this. Okay. So your solutions would be, your first one, x is equal to -4 plus radical 52 divided by 6. And your second solution would be x is equal to -4 minus radical 52 divided by 6. Okay, there you go. That is how you basically solve using the quadratic equation. All right.